Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back of the device and take off the rear cover. Unscrew the screws on the module and remove the module. Disassemble the 4 motors. Disconnect the speaker wires, backlight wires, and ribbon cables, noting their positions for subsequent reassembly. Remove the main board. Unscrew the fixing screws of the engine compartment and take out the engine compartment. Unscrew the fixing screws of the panel and remove the panel. Take out the old speaker and replace it with a new one. Reinstall all parts in the original order.